Hey, procurement managers, let's dive into a massive budget killer hiding in your cable orders.
So many buyers treat XLPE and LSHZ as competitors. Honestly, it leads to crazy expensive RFQ mistakes.
Pitting them against each other, that's literally like comparing a car's engine to its brakes.
Look at the inside. XLPE is the inner insulation layer that handles the heavy electrical load. Now moving outward, LSZH is the outer jacket. It's engineered entirely for strict fire safety.
The real takeaway? They aren't rivals. They are complementary layers working together in one cable. Take these British standards. Both use XLP insulation, but the outer sheath completely changes where they're used.
BS 5467 uses a PVC sheath. It's highly cost-effective for outdoor trenches and basic industrial sites.
But in enclosed spaces like high-rises and metros, BS 6724 with LSZH is strictly mandated.
For those high-rise risers, combining XLPE and LSHZ is the only way to ensure 100% legal compliance.
Now let's talk budget. LSZH definitely adds about a 20% premium up front.
But that 20% avoids catastrophic retrofits down the line and stops hardware corrosion during a fire.
Look at the total cost of ownership. Over 25 years, LSZH is basically your ultimate insurance policy.
Let's get practical. Here is your 4-step field playbook to spot fakes right on the site.
First, check the jacket markings. Seeing BS 6724 instantly tells you you've got real LSHZ.
Second, the lighter test. Toxic black smoke means PVC. White chalky residue, that's genuine LSZH.
Third, always demand third-party lab reports. Self-declared LSHZ without an IEC test is super risky.
Finally, check the inner core. Real XLP is thermoset, so it literally won't melt under a lighter.
Stop making it an either-or choice. Combine XLP's power performance directly with LSH's ultimate fire protection.
So is your next procurement order a hidden liability or a verified 25-year asset?